This is the BedRack by Advantage SportsRack. It's easy to assemble, easy to install, and very convenient to use. Align the two assembled pieces as such. The BedRack is size ready to accommodate smaller bed vehicles at 54.5 inches to 66.6 inch wide beds, right out of the box. If you have a full-size vehicle, we supply two spacers to increase the size of the vertical hoop to 60.5 inches all the way to 72.5 inches. After you install the spacers, rotate or wiggle the smaller hoop halves while sliding them together to ensure all three connection points are secured. There are two stabilizers that mount easily at the bottom of the BedRack. It takes little time to install and prep the bikes in the BedRack, and it can carry up to 4 bikes. Installing the bikes is quick, simple, and the most convenient way to haul bikes in a pickup truck bed. There are foam pads to help you secure and cushion the bikes in the BedRack where necessary. A lockable cable is also included to help you secure your bikes and BedRack in the truck bed. We recommend wrapping a bungee around the bike wheels for a little extra security. The BedRack by Advantage SportsRack from Heininger. The bike support arms slide into place.